Hey good people, what's up? I'm here to teach you something exceptional. Are you excited to watch it? Through this video I will show you how you can make trending TikTok or Reel videos. Our today's topic is point of view I'm your girlfriend or BF, trending TikTok and Reel video. To learn it, watch the full video. First of all, you have to open your CapCut video editing app. If you don't have this app, simply download it from Play Store. Since I have this app, so I'm gonna open it. After open this app, tap on New Project. Then tap on Photo. From here you have to select 6 photos. Then tap on Add. Now tap on Audio. Then tap on Sounds. From here tap on File icon. Then tap on From Device. Now all you need to do, just download the music. I will provide the music download link in the video descriptions box or in the comment box. So, after downloading this music, then search the music name here. Then tap on plus sign next to the music. Now here is the main point. You have to set different time duration on every photos. For example, you have to set first photo duration 9 seconds and second photo 1.2 seconds and so on. Now set these duration as you see in the display. Now tap on Text. Tap on Add Text. Then write your text. After that, tap on Font to change the font. Now select your desired text font. Then tap on Animation. Select your favorite animation. After that, our work is done. I'm not gonna play this video here because of music copyright issue. So, when you're done with your video, then tap on the upper arrow icon at the upper right side to export your video. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you face any problem, then please comment.